Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50s Fitness. So in today's video I thought I would share with you some low impact exercises for women over 50 and seniors, and we're going to do 3 great exercises, finish off with a little stretch at the end, and we're going to do 3 sets. Now first of all, let's just warm up a little bit. So I'm just doing a little bit of gentle jogging, very light walking actually, on the spot. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your shoulders are nice and relaxed. And if you can just place your hands onto your tummy and just breathe in very lightly for 3 and hold that engagement so your core is engaged. And just roll the shoulders backwards and forwards. Right, first exercise we're going to do, we're going to stand, and I don't have any trainers on, so if you are barefooted you want to spread your toes out as far as you can so you have more surface area. We're having the legs fairly together, and we're going to bend down and we're going to keep our back nice and straight, and we're going to do 8 squats whilst putting our hands out. So feet together, and we just want to hold in the core, and with a straight back just gently bend down and come back up, engaging the core. And we just do this 8 times. You don't have to go too low. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and shake it out. So now we're going to come forward, and then we're going to come down, and we don't want our knees to go over on our feet, but we're going to come down and we're just going to stretch with our other arm to the side and then come down the other way. And we're going to do this 8 times on each side. So coming down, 1, 2, remembering to keep the core engaged and keep your back fairly straight as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, and last time on each side. A really great stretch for those obliques and the sides here. So now we're going to place our legs out slightly further apart, and we're going to bend our knees. Again, we don't want our knees to go over our toes, and we're literally going to punch side to side 8 times on each side. So coming down, 1, you don't want to over twist, but just go as far as comfortable. 4, 5, 6, and the last time, 8, and just gently come up and give a shake out. Right, so let's go back onto our squats here. So we're going to have our feet together and core engaged, shoulders nice and relaxed, back nice and straight, holding out our arms, and just gently come down as you can and just come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, holding in, done another couple of extras, 10, and just shake it out. So let's go back to our other position. So standing nice and straight, coming to the side, nice stretch. Two, and just stretch as much as you can. 4, number 6. Remembering to hold in that core, engaging the core, and come back down, give it a shake off, and then having our feet splayed out more, and we're going to bend as far as you can. If you can go lower, even better on this squat. Clenching our fists for 8 on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last time 8 on that set. And again, give it a shake out. So now we're on our last lot. And so again, we're going to stand, legs together, arms out, and just gently squat down, engaging the core. And when you press back up, just squeeze the glutes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one for luck, 9. Shake it out, feet together, bending, great stretch. Stretch as far as you can. 2, 3, 4. Remembering to engage that core. 4 more to go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And come back up. And then on our last stretch round. So again, placing our legs apart, ending as low as we can, and then hands into a fish shape 8 times on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and the last one. And gently come up and just give it a little gentle shake out, and then just do a few shoulder rolls, going backwards and forwards. And then just take the hands and the arms, just gently do a little twist. Nice little stretch, cool down. And if you can just take your legs apart again and just gently move to this, and then just on the other side, engaging in that core. Nice stretch of the inner thigh, and gently come back up. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and these exercise workouts. They're really nice, easy, low impact. I like to do them. You can do them once or twice a day, obviously depending how much time you have. Now, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and also a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm and the content to push out to other people. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Oh, and also please comment. Okay, bye.